here I just put on. It's a 2008 GMC Sierra LMM. Just did the EGR delete with the tube, 4-inch diamondized straight pipe, and EFI Live tuned by Kory Willis. Amazing. Listen to this thing. It's amazing. It's actually too fast. You run it on 5 all the time, you're gonna break something. It's fast. It's ridiculous. Turbo sounds great. I'm not even stepping on it. Just playing with the throttle. If you want that turbo whistle, this is definitely the way to do it. Definitely the way to do it. On the way up here on interstate, I averaged 20 miles to the gallon versus 16 before. At this rate, it'll pay for itself in 8 months. Ridiculous.